I hear what you're all saying. Pi Coin and Pi Network is done. It's heading to zero, and what's the point in buying it? Well, that's your decision, but there is lots of things coming. The community is huge, and it's natural for any coin that comes out to take a little bit of a breather. We're going to give you the updates of what's going on, Pifest, as well as the network price predictions, and a massive opportunity, potentially, with Binance. We talked about this once before, but this is pretty bullish. So make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. You guys have been loving the Pi Coin updates, so make sure you keep hitting that like button. That's how we know you enjoy this content. With that being said, let's get into this video. So I think the last time I spoke to you guys, we were talking a little bit around some of the updates that had come out, and this is one of the latest ones, the Pifest shopping. Now, again, it may sound like a cliche, and it may be this whole narrative of, well, we've heard it before, but this is pretty big. 100,000 registered sellers, including 51,000 active sellers right now, which is kind of crazy, are all on the map of Pi waiting for you to go and shop there. Now, this could be anything from merchandise to anything related to the Pi network and much more. Experience first Pifest after the open network with a full full support of external connectivity by shopping at your local stores and businesses that accept Pi. This is obviously giving you a huge opportunity to interact RWA narrative with Pi Coin. I think a lot of people don't realize that. They just go, well, I mined it for a bit on my phone and it should be going to the moon. People don't connect the two things. Remember, this is a full network with a massive user base that is growing and growing and growing. That's why we're talking things like Binance and all the rest of it. But Pi mining app home screen will allow you to participate and learn more. And I think you're going to see more and more of these. The event does end today, though. So it's important that if you want to go and interact with it, that you do that. These are why people are talking about price predictions. Now, yes, we've seen a decline. It's down about 31% from its all-time high. But look, golden buying opportunity potentially before that Binance listing that we've talked about. Think about it. It's got a huge community. It's got big volume. It's got lots of build-outs coming. It's absolutely the perfect coin for someone like Binance or maybe even Coinbase to list. Time will tell. Coinbase listing 3 coins today, and one of those being Pendle. But very interesting. Despite the dip, though, there are many opportunities. Investors are taking the chance and grabbing that dip as well. Now, what you've got is certain tokens unlocking and certain people that are selling on it. There's lots of rumors going around now that the team are selling on it. Again, we'll confirm that as soon as I can get some information out to you guys. But short-term challenges. Pi cryptocurrency remains a popular asset in the market, and his engaged community continuing to support the project. Pi mining remains active, and as users participate in the growing ecosystem, hoping for future rewards from the Pi network coin. This is one of the key fundamentals. I talk about this a lot. How do you have a successful project? It starts with the community that sit behind it. Are they die hard enough to really support this in the challenging times? I myself have got a project, Marbits, check the link in the description. It's a perfect moment right now. Yes, the movement of the chart is not great, but the community is steadfast, and that's all you need for success in this space. Lots of people predict that we could see a big move on Pi Network, and lots of people predicting some good, solid price predictions. Again, looking for that $3, $4, maybe even $5 mark very, very soon as well. And as it continues to kind of touch on this RWA narrative and more people get involved, then it's hard to believe that Pi Network would be a big thing. 60 million pioneers who mine Pi tokens through the mobile devices. Now, we haven't got the data of how many didn't come over, how many people didn't take the KYC option, how many people mined it for 3 days and didn't bother. All those coins, gone. They have been removed and are no longer available. So this is obviously very bullish indeed as people continue to think about where this goes to. So what do people truly think? Well, look, Pi Network could see a significant move to the upside. We're down about 107 right now, breaking under this lower support range. We're probably looking at something like 90 cents as the next potential range line as we sort of come down to retest that if it was to come this low. Now, what you've got is key indicators here on the VPVR all around this range that we're just slightly beneath, so you'd expect a potential move to the upside depending on the broader cryptocurrency market. And remember, this is all about token unlocks, positioning, and the community. And I think, look, it's only natural that you get this, and then we'll see what happens. I think some of the people believe that when they unlock some of these coins will absolutely dump the mark, but I would watch out. If you've got some big listings and a strong community, then PiCoin could be set for a big move. Could $5 be on the cards? You guys let me know what you think. What's your price prediction? What's your take profit point when you get to PiCoin? I'm curious. And if you enjoyed this content, you wanted me to keep you updated on what's going on with Pi Network, smash that like button, drop a comment down below. Let me know how many Pi you've got and why you invested in it. And I'll keep bringing you the latest when it comes to this crypto. As always, thank you so much for watching. Check out the links in the description. As always, it supports the channel, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.